Hi, and welcome to this edition of Market Analysis at the Close. All right, so what a day that we had today. We sure did saw that parabolic movement on the Nasdaq right when the CPI number came out at 8.5% better than expected. And so therefore the markets received that in a good tone. Our resistance level was held. Market fluctuated towards it, but it has kept from below it. On the S&P 500, our resistance have been met, has been touched. The market has come to it, retraced back to it. It attempted three times in these 2-hour candles to break that resistance, but it didn't do so. So now, one thing on the S&P 500, the S&P 500 has been rising so far, but it's still right about 600 points from the all-time high, 4,796 to be exact, on the all-time high of the S&P 500. Should we, uh, get closer to it between now and September, or between now and October? Let's see. Let's see where this if this fluctuation leaves us, this movement to the upside, whether we see tomorrow the continuation of a rally, or if was it just a knee-jerk reaction by the markets accepting this cooler inflation number. We will see tomorrow. As long as we see crude oil sustaining itself around 90, I think the inflation will continue to stay afloat. Should we come back up to 95, that will also hurt inflation. So let's keep that in mind. Obviously, we want to be able to see a more economical price for crude oil, but this is not happening so far. Nat Gas continues to move higher, also after the movement after the news. So 820 will be our new level of support. Here's gold. Gold had a also nice pop to the upside, a nice parabolic movement. It retraced of that movement. Then it tried to obviously break our resistance, our psychological level of 1800. It didn't do so. Now just lingering right above our pivot point. Just as well as silver. Silver also just traded right above our resistance, but then the candles closed below it. So right now we're seeing that 20.550 is our next support level. Then we have copper. Copper 3.62 will be our support level, looking to sustain itself around that value. Then we have Bitcoin rallying. Good news from Coinbase, even though it didn't beat expectations. It has moved well so far, and it helped Bitcoin as well as obviously as the CPI number. Now we have the euro. Euro fluctuated towards our resistance that we placed on early in the morning. It traded above it two occasions, but then it retraced, made a nice pullback. We could use on this particular moment our Fibonacci tool to see where this could be extended should we see any movement from here to the upside. So we could use our Fibonacci level, the 0.38 level, to be minimum movement. Obviously, it's 0.618 to be the golden ratio movement. And then we have the dollar index. Dollar index fluctuated on the news to the downside. It went down to about 104.500, 400, 471 to be exact. And then it retraced back up above 105. the United States they want a stronger dollar. Is better for them anyhow. So will they sustain this dollar around these levels? Well, that's the whole key, right? Well, this is Giovanni. Thank you for watching, and we'll speak again on Friday. Have a nice one.